We're gonna go quadding today. Going to a couple lagoons and salt flats.
Yeah.
Like a bunch of salt pools.
Only Michael brought his bikini, so I have to go in the buff.
Yeah, you still have to go swimming in your panties. So that'll still be cool.
So we've arrived at our destination, and now we're just practicing the use of the quads. Not deep.
Show us what you got, bro. Oh, I think your engine's not working.
We've done the test driving, and we're just waiting for the other guys to finish their test driving, and then we're off. You look like a proper little renegade there. I guess those are the lagunas we're going to over there. You already got a little bit of mud on you? This is what you wanted. Nice adventure.
In the mud.
This one is particularly comforting. Never carry a passenger, since it would affect balance and steering and may cause you to lose control. Means you gotta go.
I'm going on.
You're still coming?
You can't lose me. Can't get rid of me even if you try. You didn't bring your scary,
It's on my head.
Oh, is this the scary one?
Yeah, I mean I could switch it with the one in the backpack. Let's do that, shall we? Alright, now we're ready to go. Look at you, the two ninjas. Got the whole troop behind us, almost all of us ready. Go.
Are you ready to show your big skills?
Unfortunately, they're all going so slow in this tour, but the sights are beautiful. They're actually like a waterfall.
Arrived on our way to see the view of the Laguna. The views around here. Look at those clouds just puffing away there. Oh.
You feel like sunshine on this point?
Look at the colors. Insane.
Beautiful. Wow. This is magnifique.
And a perfect day too.
Oh yeah. Now we're talking.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Those clouds are covering those snowy mountains, but I can imagine on a very clear day, probably see it from here.
What you brought your swimsuit for?
Yeah, actually.
Are you gonna
Why not?
go for it?
Should I? You bring our towel. Should have brought the towel.
Yeah, man, but the people.
Beautiful.
Pretty nice and high.
You're a good boy, aren't you? You're a good boy, aren't you? Yes, you're a good boy. ¿Cómo se llama?
Aussie.
Aussie. You're Aussie, huh? Nice. Qué lindo lugar acá.
Muy bueno.
Sí, sí. Vives en un paraíso.
Muy bonito.
We're leaving the quads behind and we're heading to this sort of salt flats. Back in the van. It's the van we came in. You want some juice?
And food.
And food. You're actually hungry, it's true.
I'm like born hungry.
I want to show them this little bag thing, basically, with the food.
Gracias. Adios.
With the entire package, they give us these little juices here. How do you drink this? You go to the top. Make up. Okay, we don't want them. Make a little hole. It's actually super good.
It looks like you're drinking your own piss from a bag. Desperate times call for desperate measures.
Modern problems require modern solutions. Got it?
Yeah, it's actually real refreshing.
Right? And on we go to the salt flats. So we arrived at a chocolate factory close to the salt flats. We have 47 different varieties of chocolate here.
Pasen por aquí.
Hola.
Muy buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Bienvenidos aquí a la comunidad de Maras, en especial a esta familia. Esta es una pequeña maqueta sobre las salineras que lo van a poder ver a unos 10 a 15 minutos de aquí. En ella podemos ver más de 3.600 pozos, pocitos que de profundidad miden 15 centímetros, y de cada una de ellas cosechamos 3 tipos de sal. La primera, que está en la parte superior, viene a ser la flor de sal, la sal más saludable. ¿Por qué la sal más saludable? Porque tiene menos concentración de sodio. Junto a la sal más saludable estamos elaborando chocolates con sal. ¿Me permiten la palma de sus manos? Van a degustar.
Okay, we're gonna taste chocolate.
Por si son intolerantes a la lactosa, no tiene leche.
Thank you.
You're making it. ¿Conocen este frutito? Agua y manto.
Wow.
El segundo chocolate va a venir
That's really
con
good.
agua y manto. ¿Sí lo conocen?
Oh yes, we'll have more.
Inflamatorio que tiene la vitamina C. Para las mujeres nos ayuda para las infecciones. Para los varones comerse 3 naranjas. El tercer chocolate va a venir con este cerealito, la quinoa. La quinoa y la sal de
I could do
mar.
this all night. More chocolate, please. Back it away for chocolate. First one you like?
El de agua y manto. Con quinoa.
La tercera.
El de
El quinoa, sí.
Para usted, el tercero también. No digo todos. Para ustedes tenemos más de 28 sabores. La sal rosada lo estamos quemando en un horno artesanal. Un quemado de 4 a 5 horas y obtenemos la sal negra, la sal ahumada para carnes rojas. Una parrilla, una caja china, una malaya, un churrasco. También puede ser para ensaladas, papas fritas, buenísimo. Da un toque diferente a las comidas. Van a degustar esta sal.
Keep adjusting it.
No se lo coman inmediatamente.
How do you do? So. Okay, the pepper, nice. Oh, a little bit more. There you go. There we go.
This is corn, right?
Es maíz. Es maíz, agua.
Very good.
Oh, I got a really good tasting piece. It tastes like banana.
It's plantain. That's the plantain.
Esa es la sal ahumada.
I'm having dinner here.
Y la prueba. Ok, sí.
No starting, Michael.
Tiene comino, ajo,
Please,
pimienta,
it's got
pincho,
cumin,
ajonjolí, hojas de laurel,
garlic, a bit of everything inside. So we are full of chocolate.
Good though.
It's good chocolate, and we bought a bunch of chocolate too.
Michael could not resist.
Not resist the
temptation.
chocolate. And look at this valley. So down there, those are the salt flats. You fill them up with water that is rich in salt, and they let it dry out in the sun. That water is 75% salt?
Yeah.
Wow.
So it would really float if you went
So you can't sink in this water. No puedes profundar. No. Amazing. So it's like thermal,
like jump in.
but it's not steaming, so I don't think it's too hot.
Not 32 is not that hot, but
Okay. Crazy. Oh, there's a hat there. It'll be a salty hat.
It would be really fun to jump in. Well, I see.
You get all salty. Yeah, that looks like it's already solidified. See, it's already dried, and it's like.
So do you think they do something with it and it's solid? Take it out and use it.
That's what she said. Actually created a little ripple effect there. So it's still water. It looked solid. It's not.
Well, underneath is solid. On the top part is liquid.
It's crazy. Look how they have they made little holes and the water just seeps down to all of them. Amazing. Muy bien. Gracias.